Hey folks, thanks for coming by today. It is cold here in North Carolina. It's about 40-45 degrees with a strong wind from the north, which doesn't help things any. But despite that, I've got a fire going down here. I'm going to cook a ribeye steak caveman style. Just going to take a thick steak and cook that directly on the coals. I've never done it before. I got tagged to do this as a challenge by one of my favorite YouTube channels, MeatHead. I'll put a link to his channel right down below in the description box. Y'all go check him out and subscribe. So it's the first time, but despite the cold, I'm looking forward to trying this out. Hope you guys stick around. All right, I'm going to use this is about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches cut of ribeye. And we had a whole ribeye roast, so we were able to cut this just the way we wanted it to. And I'm just going to hit it really good with some steak seasoning. Be a little bit much there, but it's okay. Get the sides. Okay. That looks good to me. Folks, I think this is looking pretty close to how I want it to be. It's got some really good coals going there, nice and red, so I think I might strike while the iron's hot. I'm just going to try to pop off some of this a little bit, get this broken up, spread this out a little bit, and I think we're going to be cooking real soon. Okay, it's been a minute. Let's flip it. Got a little stick there. No big deal. Give it another minute on that side. All right, we got another minute, so let's flip it. And we got another minute, so let's flip it. It's cooking. Looking real good. Coming up on another minute. And what's it been, like 5-6 minutes or so? I'm gonna check, it's still got a ways to go. She's cooking. It's been a few minutes, and I just broke up some fresh coals over here, so I'm going to transfer the steak. Cook it over here. Now my coals aren't the hottest in the world, so I'm not getting like a big sear on either side, but it's my first time. I'm still messing with it. Okay folks, I just temped this and it was coming out to about 140 in the middle, so I'm going to take it off. Alright, it's rested for a few minutes. Let's cut into it. I'm going to take this little nub off right here. And let's see what we got. Let's cut right down the middle here, see where we're at. Looks like a nice medium to me. It's hard to tell in this light. Well, for you guys anyways. For me, it looks like a nice medium. Super juicy. I can't wait to try this. All right, y'all, here we go. Wow, that is super good. Nice and juicy and tender on the inside. Now there's not as much of a sear on the outside that I was hoping for. I think I just needed to use some hotter coals. But this is my first try at it, so I'm definitely going to do this again. I love cooking over an open fire with real wood any chance that I can get. I want to thank MeatHead for the opportunity to try this out. This is really cool, and I thank you guys for hanging out and sticking around for this cook. I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to get inside and warm up. It's cold out here. So, love you guys. Wish you the best. And until next time, smoke 'em if you got 'em. We'll see you soon.